halor kapatisi TV. Hadin bakalami ka jingkentho halor ka jingyo rung haka unreserved kategori daki arngut ki Samla Pule Jylla ki bakam Duna marks haka need na ka benta ka jingpuli MBBS ban ya ki Samla Pule khasi jentia nakaliang jong ki nong yalam ka jentia Students Union haka laiterik unailor ara jarapsan kila led ban yakendu ya ka Director of Health Services Medical Institution ban pan jingpenchai halor ka ni jinja. Ha kajialang kabakarpang kabalalong ha Additional Secretariat ha ringkat kajiadon lang jongki ubesar nakatanat kakot kakya la penyad ya kajialang daka Director of Health Services Medical Institution. U advisor jong GSU uba ai bansuk suchang ha kajingkran bat kilar patai kubor hadin balawai kajialang ulai tu bakatanat kakot kakya kala board ya ka standard operating procedure bat shua balit sa counseling ki kena khasi jantia ki bakham yo ya ki marks ki bahe ki la jed ya ki college ki bakham ba hadin bekilawat ya ki jingtep ki bakham bania ulo ongru bakatanat kakoi kakya kala penpau bakam shimla le shiliang khmat hanrei ka debate tang ka jingbut ya ka SOP
mentagas ngi kumpa piatip pila kumpa pio I ha ha news ba mami kilis jongki kena bandit pule MBBS lembaga Meghalaya Kota ma te ha to list bami pilih I ba don gi angut ki niki kena ha open category ki ba yo ki ba Duna max ban ya ki kena kasi jente jongi te mentagas ngi ban banik ban kren ban panjing shai na ki members shpang gane te hadin balai discuss batki te ki ong yang iba balai kerja kumne balai kerja nama ba ki follow ka SOP kemud ba kini ki kena ki ba long top na presiden te teng ki chose ki college mak ba nama ba nimla bang ba ki ne ki institute ba ki government ka shim ba ki long ba lut ta ki don kena ki swaban like counseling kila yo idea ba kila wat teach phangi college kono college ba long medium kumtama te balai kene ga ja kumne dai lengba kata ka nakong dai kasko jong long kitop lengba haki max jong ki te ba ka preference jong ki don ki kena ki ba ko ban shim ya ki college ba nama ba ki yo ki long top te ki ko ban shim benefits tu ila de ba ki de ban yo ka college ko ba te kat kum ka jing batai nak liang jong ki official jong ka health department ba kam dei ba ki le bias kam dan partiality ka long bet ba ki follow bet ya ka SOP te spang gane ba ngil de discuss bat ki te kinsa ai jing tip ingi hadin te nila heban ki ong ba ki la ban penrung sai wei te kin la bai ban kin sale bai ki sa penrung bai sai wei khna na khasien te jongi te iwei te ki kin sale bai tang ba na lai ling patip ga tang bai wei te kin sayo bai ngin sayo bai sai wei khna na khasien te migrate ye nei khna ba long top shaga open category te ladai ni ki migrate ye nei khna ba long top shaga open category te ngin sa yo ban shim ban penrung sai wei I khna khasien te nang waiting list haneka list jonga khasien te pemusua nama ki dang Duna ki kena ba score he max naganit dai nata kadau an kembanga OIP mene ba ka dai preference jong ki ta an ki ong ba nge kila ha SOP ba tho ba ki respect ru eka preference jong ki kena ma te nang ta kadau te lingba ka preference jong ki ru kala kene kala banja te ngila ka pat eki ngila ajing tho ki ba nang ne sakmat kanum dai banja bat ki haban penbet ya ka SOP jongki te nang ne sakmat ba hopefully next year kanam jesuk ne yamata ta ngi haban ya solve da ka jing sno thu mabala da ni le songshit kan sa affect ya ka life ya ka kira jongki khna ke kata ngi haban prakhat te suppose la da ngi misno thu iwei kin sabon balai sakot ru te kan sa affect ya ba ya ka system te ngum kwa ai kata ngi kwa ai ke jingba hi ngum kwa ban ba kan ne ka step jongi akan affect ki kino kino kina te ngi hope hadin by next week ngin yo ka khu ba nak banta ki khana ka si jente jong.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.